everyone, and welcome back to the IKEA Japan YouTube channel. I'm Kevin Matthews, and we are here on the rooftop of an actual IKEA store. Pretty cool, right? Now, this is a 3-video series where video 1 talked about a traditional workspace. Video 2 was more a conference-style workspace, but we did think about social distancing. Now, let's get into solution number 3. I'm calling this solution the casual workspace solution. It's a little less structured than your traditional table and chair setup. Casual workspace is a huge trend for office design, and I thought, why not take it outdoors? We used a Plaro, 2 corner sections, pushed them together, and they created a cool sofa experience like you've got here. The second element is to get some side chairs. Now, I use these 2 chairs, put them here, had them facing the sofa, just so that you could create an environment of engagement and sociability when people are sitting together. This is also a great solution just because it provides you 3 separate sitting areas, which is really good for social distancing. Now, if you're loving this solution and you're worried about additional seating, all you need to do is bring in a stool. I love it because you can just sit down, anyone can join the group, anyone can chat, you can look at people, social distancing, we thought about that here. It's just a great solution. Okay, you guys, so no space is complete without those little details, and accessories definitely do that. Here in this casual workspace setup, we brought in some greenery with some fake plants, bringing that whole lush outdoor feeling. And then also we layered in, which I love, is the parasol. It provides that over dramatic feeling and outdoor feeling, but also from a functional standpoint, provides that shade and that little bit of cool in these crazy Japanese summers. For this setup, we decided to go with neutral color cushions. Love these because they're super low maintenance, super soft. You can store them away easily. You can wash them. You can put them away easily. Love these. Okay, everyone, we have quickly gone through our final solution as to how businesses can use outdoor furniture to create additional workspaces. If you're not already a member of IKEA for Business, definitely go online and become a member. Or you can visit your local store and go visit a department of IKEA for Business, and they can help you out with any of your needs. Until next time, see you guys soon. Bye.